Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple C program to add two numbers using scanf and printf. Let's dive in. Once you're done writing the code, click on Compile and Run. A window will appear. Choose where you want to save your file, name it, and click Save. Next, the output screen will appear. Enter the first number and press Enter, then enter the second number and press Enter. Finally, you'll see the sum of the two numbers displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.